There you go in there guys, here we just have our Anderson extension, like piggyback cable. We mainly I use it for just getting like an easy way to get power off the Anderson plug for a Caravan hitch, which we mainly use for our tyre pressure repeater, all for a transmitter for a camera. If you're going at wireless like camera and you want to transmit that through your car. So basically it comes with this. Get a 50 amp plug on either end with, what do we got, 8A or WG the main wire, and the 14 as the piggyback for the wires. So whatever you hook up to this, ideally fuse it. And we also include in here, this here, and so like a lever connector. And all this, what allows you to do is strip a wire, stick it into here, like so, close it, strip a wire, stick it on the other end, close it. These two will be connected. They are actually see-through, so you can see that they're connected. And then this big like bulky thing just basically makes it waterproof. Make sure you slide the end over first. So these two would have been passed through here, like that. We hook our, I normally go orange to positive, blue to negative, close those down. And then basically what's going to happen is you do the same at the other end here. We're just sort of trying to provide a super easy way for people to be able to do power without having to have lots of extra bits and pieces really. So these two are going to come in. These are borderline almost too fat, this size like cable. So if you do find that, you might just have to strip a little bit longer wire back than is pre-stripped on these. But that's basically it. This is now going to sit in here. So you can spin up this. And then you can do the glands up at the end. And we should hopefully get a fairly tight seal in there, because the glands are just compressing glands like that. Here, I would have probably snipped this like back a bit, or we can just push it through a little bit. So we're actually cramping up over this solid cable instead of the two actually single cables. And you can see now I've got a good connection here. You can see I've got a good connection here, and that is our power source for our repeater, and this will just be hooked to your thing. I would probably go and wrap a bit of like tape around this, and this here can just sit on your Caravan hitch, and that's going to give you like a power source. And so this one here will still plug into your Anderson on the car side like that. So very easy way to get power for this. You could even tape up this whole thing and like tape this to the old Anderson. It's not heavy. You can float around or like mount it wherever it's going to fit. Every use case is going to be a bit like different, but we just try to include in the kit an easy way to give you a waterproof connection and to tap into the power of your Anderson.